Former Nebraska football players Andre Hunt and Katerian LeGrone appeared in a Lancaster County courtroom today, facing charges of first-degree sexual assault. Reports now made public reveal a woman says her face was covered and she was held down as the two men had sex with her. Reporter Phil Bergman was down in Lincoln. He has the details.
It was a short morning in court for both Katerian LeGrone and Andre Hunt. The judge set a preliminary hearing for February 26th at 10 a.m.
The two former student athletes spent roughly 4.5 minutes in front of Judge Joseph E. Dalton. Following the hearing, Hunt's lawyer showed his defense will be going on offense.
We have somebody that decided to swipe right on Tinder. She sets up a date with my client to come over and have sex with him. The conversation was all sexual, and after she has the goods, she's saying, I don't want him.
According to court documents, the victim said she went to the View Lincoln off-campus apartment complex on October 25th. In the affidavit, the victim said she went to the apartment to meet Hunt. She told investigators that after a short time, he made sexual advances and that she did not resist because she felt pressured. She says her head was covered, and that's when a second person came in the room and sexually assaulted her.
Probable cause affidavits come out all the time that they give one side of the story. And there's always another side to that story.
Court documents show when police originally interviewed LeGrone and Hunt, the two men said LeGrone didn't perform sex with the victim. The two later changed their stance. A phone record internet search history showed LeGrone looking up lying on statement of sexual assault and how was saliva detected during sexual assault. The affidavit also contains text conversations between the two. Hunt tells LeGrone to tell the truth, and LeGrone responds that they won't find out.
When did he search? Did he search after he had been accused of something like this? So it's going to be really important to see the timeline of when these things happened.
Key to the affidavit is a Title IX investigation where Hunt admits to investigators LeGrone did not ask the victim for consent before having sex with her. Hunt's lawyer said the University of Nebraska Title IX department changed the date of a meeting with his client scheduled for January 6th, and the university hasn't rescheduled.
It is very strange the way the University of Nebraska has handled this case from the beginning and why they wait until the end of the semester to act the way they did.
The Lincoln Police Department is also currently investigating Hunt and LeGrone for other reports of sexual assault from other victims.
My client has not committed any sexual assaults. My client is totally innocent.
Ultimately, this is just starting, and it's gonna last for a while.
Hunt and LeGrone were also in court Thursday morning related to an eviction hearing. LeGrone has been officially evicted from his apartment from violating the terms of his lease. His lawyer said that he's found a new place to live. Andre Hunt had previously moved away from the apartment complex. Reporting outside the Lancaster County Courthouse in Lincoln, Phil Bergman, 3 News Now.